Ramcharan asked, I have a citizenship interview on this March. What documents do I need to get with me? I had asylum. So it's hard to say individual guidance because I don't know enough about you. So this is just general information. But when you have a citizenship interview, some of the basic documents are bringing your passports, re-entry permits you had, your green card, bring your ID, and then it goes into other kind of stuff. If you had military history, bring your military record to show that you were discharged. And even if you come from a country that has conscription, mandatory military service, some people are exempt, bring your exemption card. If you're married or divorced, bring marriages and divorce certificates. If you're married to somebody who's been previously divorced, bring their divorce and marriage certificates as well, potentially. That may be needed for the other parties. If you have arrest history, court history, you got to bring original certified copies of that as well. They say bring your tax returns. I've never had him ask for that, but that's some lawyers do that. If you're doing a case based on marriage to a U.S. citizen, you got to bring proof of living in unison with that spouse. A lot of times it's joint lease agreements and tax returns showing both names. Generally, that's enough to cover it, but the officer may want more. But depending on your individual case, there may be a lot of stuff that you need to talk about. For example, if you have back taxes due, you need to show that you have a payment plan set up at the IRS, or you paid it off and stuff like that, because they can't approve you if you have back taxes and don't have some sort of repayment system with the IRS. So that's something to be mindful for. But it just goes down to your individual case, and you have to analyze and see what's going on in your case. Is there something that we should be aware of, and extra documentation we need to bring? It's hard to say because I don't know your individual case, but that's some general overview stuff of the things you should bring. On my website, jqqlaw.com, I do have a page where I just write every single document based on every single case. It's on the citizenship or naturalization page there. You can check it out. I haven't updated in like 2 or 3 years, but generally it has different scenarios. There's a long page. But the best thing really to do, if they feel like there's something where you need to bring documents or a case a little bit different, is to do a practice session with an immigration attorney. I do provide, it's a paid fee for this, but practice interview sessions by video. So we act like I'm the officer, and I go through your history with you to try to catch issues and see if there's any problems with the case. So that's something we do provide. You just email me at info@jqqlaw.com if you wanted to schedule that, and we can talk about it then. But thank you for the question. Thank you for watching this educational program. To get the latest videos, click the subscribe button and the notification bell icon. Also, help us help the immigrant community by liking this video and sharing it with your family and friends. You can also find us on other social media sites like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Twitter, where you find the latest updates on immigration news, policy changes, and tips. Be safe and God bless. See you soon.